Another day, another story. Title: Marketing Game to the Next Level. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, where testing strategies can make or break your success. In this video, we'll go over the top-notch testing methodologies that can help you take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. Top-notch testing strategies. H3. Landing page optimization. Your landing page is the first impression that a potential customer gets of your brand. It's where you'll make your pitch and try to convert leads into paying customers. Landing page optimization is the process of optimizing your landing page to improve its conversion rate. By testing different design elements, copy, layout, and more, you can identify the combination that works the best for your particular audience. A/B testing. A/B testing is another powerful testing strategy for affiliate marketers. It involves testing two versions of a particular element against each other to see which one performs better. For example, you might try testing two different headlines or two different call-to-action buttons. By comparing metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and engagement rates, you can determine which version of the element is more effective. Multivariate testing. If you really want to get granular with your testing, multivariate testing is the way to go. This methodology involves testing multiple versions of multiple elements simultaneously to uncover optimal combinations. While this type of testing can be more complex and time-consuming, the payoff can be significant in terms of increasing your conversion rate. User testing. User testing involves getting feedback from actual users to find out what they like and dislike about your website or landing page. You might conduct surveys, ask for feedback from focus groups, or even conduct one-on-one interviews with customers. By addressing pain points and offering solutions to obstacles, user testing can help you create an online experience that truly resonates with your audience. Heat mapping. Heat mapping involves analyzing user behavior on your website or landing page to gain insight into what they're looking at and what they're ignoring. By using tools like click maps, scroll maps, and eye tracking software, you can see where users are clicking, where their attention is focused, and where they might be getting distracted or confused. This can help you optimize your website or landing page for maximum engagement and effectiveness. Outro. Thanks for tuning in to these top-notch testing strategies for making big bucks in affiliate marketing. By optimizing your landing page, conducting A/B and multivariate testing, user testing, and heat mapping, you'll be well on your way to affiliate marketing success. Remember to keep testing and optimizing your campaigns to stay ahead of the competition and maximize your profits.